Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Let's try that one again. I've been kind enough to be sent this M13 from Hosim, which was very kind of them. It is a 1/14th scale, and it's going to be ranging at $199.99 US dollars. I will have a 10 or 15% off code, so I will put that on the screen now and in the description below. It seems very good on paper. There's one thing, I'm just going to do a little bit of housekeeping straight off the bat, and that's on their website. It states that it has a central differential. It most certainly does not. Future editor John here. I've just taken the car apart after driving it and noticed it does not have a central differential. It only has a spur gear, so that's pinion straight to spur gear. Other than that, we have a 2847 brushless motor, 3100 kV, 45 amp waterproof ESC, a 3 kg servo, and a 2800 milliamp hour 3S battery. So, I don't know if you watched my last video with the WO Toys. I said that everybody else seems to have moved on to a 3S as standard, where WO Toys are sticking with the 2S. Well, Hosim themselves have even gone to the 3S. I haven't watched any videos, I haven't seen any others reviews about it, because I wanted to make my own sort of mind up about it. But, as I said, on paper it does seem quite good. It's got the oil-filled shocks and the metal alloy hubs. Now, that can either be good or bad, because nylon has a tendency of having the ability to bend a little bit in an impact, and I don't know if these are going to break. I do hope not. But what comes in the box? Well, you obviously have the controller, and it's one of the more better controllers as far as adjustments are concerned. But the actual fit, it doesn't even... for something so basic, I think they could have just done a little bit more on it, but I'm pretty sure it will do what it is supposed to do. Always nice to have a spare set of tyres thrown in for absolutely free. They're identical patterns, so I don't know if they're softer or harder. I couldn't find any information about them anywhere. Being Hosim, their usual very good manual, which I'm all for, and a little bag. I mean, come on, do the gifts ever stop giving with Hosim? And in here, we have charger, spare clips, more spare clips, few tools, spare nuts, and your archaeological brush. All right, okay, we'll move on from that swiftly. So, is it any good? We shall find that out right now. Here we go. I don't know what you guys think about the design, whether you like it or not, but let's see how it handles. Gonna be a slippery boy. Couldn't even last 5 seconds. Careful, dirty minds. Very, very twitchy, this one. It is handling the rocks quite well, though. We have a little fairy friend coming to say hello. Hello, good morning. Hello, hi. Ooh. Whoa. Very, very short wheelbase, isn't it? Wow. Okay, right, listen, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I wasn't looking forward to pressing record this time, because I was going to say some pretty unnice things or unkind things about this car. But I've always said to you, and I always believe, a car should make you feel happy. If it makes you feel happy, it doesn't really matter. a lot. You can put up with a lot of the deficiencies, can't you? Ow! And this one's making me smile. You can definitely see the difference with the WO Toys 124028 that I just reviewed, because when I put that on full throttle, ooh, full throttle, ooh, you could clearly see that it had a little bit more power transfer to the front, so it was able to pull it straight every time. It looked like I was driving it really well, but it wasn't that. It was just basically because WO Toys had done a good job on the drivetrain. This, however, I'll try to go full throttle and show you. When it gets to full throttle, it has it. It can do it. But that's if you can keep it straight enough. Look at the way it's dealing with these big rocks. Why am I sounding like I've just hit puberty? Love it. To those people that say it's not a very good area to try a truck like this, I would usually agree, but the one thing that we've always said is virtually every car that we've ever tested has been on this road at some point. Ooh! But look at how it's handling these rocks! Big rocks, doesn't care. Little rocks, just eats those for breakfast. Ow! I love those power slides! See the maneuverability of this! Oh, we've lost a pin. I shall put that back on. Oh, I'm not that fit to turn around this spot. What's rubbing? Is there something rubbing? Now, I'm not going to take responsibility for this, but Hosim said very clearly in their manual, make sure that you tighten up the wheel nuts before driving. And John went, pfft, I know better. I'm an RC car YouTuber. My gosh. And that's what was happening. One of those wheel nuts came off. So I've now tightened them up. Let's see how long it lasts for, shall we? Come on, come back to me, babe. It is fast. Come on, it's a little scrappy thing, isn't it? The speed that thing takes off. And it doesn't stop. So on John's durability test, is it any good? Yep. And it always lands on his wheels. It's so stable. What? Again, lands on his wheels. Oh, it's so twitchy though. I wonder how fast it can go. Should we see? No, not on that run. Oops. Lands on his wheels again. For those wondering, we are now going into the dry season in Malta, which is why all of the roads are, I'd like to say, extra bad, but unfortunately this is Malta all the time. This is a little bit irritating, having to constantly put that down, but you know what, that's a little thing. Let's see what speed this can do. Let's go. It doesn't hang around, does it? I don't know if you know, but that wasn't an effective speed run. So there's the horizon, and you can see that this goes progressively higher up. So let's see what this can do. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? I have to say it took quite a beating, and nothing has broken. Everything is straight. Yes, there's scratches. Yes, there's scuffs, but all in all, wow. Really, really impressed with this one. Now, I said a little bit earlier, you heard on the video, that for me, it's a lot down to, does it make me smile, does it make me laugh? And this one most definitely did that today. I did not expect it to be as good as what it is. It's very fast. It can, as I said, take that beating that I gave it and come away going like, is that the best you got? And that really is quite remarkable. So the question that I always ask myself is it worth it? Should you buy one? And I'm on the fence on this one. Listen, I would buy this because it's just very good at what it does. If you're looking for a small, arsey, truggy, short course that can just do everything, then definitely get it. And if you're just looking for some bashing fun, bam, look no further. Would I buy it? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. But for 50 US dollars more, you could obviously go up to the Larlo Omni Terminator and the likes of. Are you getting more? Yeah, it's a bigger car. Of course, it's bigger than that. So make your own decision from the footage that you've seen. It was more than enough bouncing and smashing and whatnot to give you the sort of ideas of what this thing is capable of. Very good indeed. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.